What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam POV, and the title of the video is Wannabe Gangster thinks police violated him in front of his girlfriend. You know a man is gonna crash out over a girl. So let's see what they actually talking about here. Let's get into it.
Dude, let's see all the way through you.
On March 20th, 2024, members of the gang unit were preparing to serve a search warrant when they noticed a male at the door of the home. He is known to police to have warrants of his own. He has a history of distribution of illegal substances, firearm possession, fighting with officers, violent crimes, and gang activity.
I'm hot.
I'm hot.
All right, go. Go. Let me see your hands. Take your eyes. I'm gonna fucking tase you, dude. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Take your eyes.
Dang, the cop done fell, man. Woo. Oh boy. Boy, they about to get him, boy. He gonna be sick.
Right now, get on the ground, Tavion. Tavion, get your
Better act right. They already know you.
Give me your hands. Give me your hands, Tavion. Give us your hands. Tavion, you're gonna get tased for nothing. Give me your hands.
I got one.
Dig it out.
Here, help me get the other.
Tavion,
got
it
this
ain't
one?
worth it, man. You don't need it. I'm busting my ass. Still got here before James did. What are you talking about? That's the second one. Brand new blue jeans. Tavion. Slow as you always been, Tavion. They brand new. He got something. He's trying to hide something. That's outside. You in there? I didn't see him toss anything. He's definitely got something in his pocket. Like, I gotta pick up my damn shit to fool. God. Slow. That's hopefully okay. You tough now in handcuffs, aren't you? Yeah, yo, totally that.
I got my car for transport.
Yeah.
Hey, my sister, y'all backed up in my sister's car.
Huh?
Yeah, y'all backed up in my sister's car right there. Somebody gonna have to do something about that.
All right, call 911.
Y'all there now.
All right, I'll get you in a minute when you cool off.
I need to talk to him.
Y'all can't tell, it's been a while. I busted my ass just now.
Settle that down, man. It's over now.
I'll be there in about 5 minutes.
Come on, let's sit up.
You got a probation warrant, man.
Just over there. Let's
Probably secure him in 3389 car.
Brand new blue jeans, too. I've been sitting behind a desk too long.
Yeah, you didn't.
You ain't kidding. Y'all see another one?
catch your breath. I'm gonna stand you up. All right, pull your foot up under you. No, up under you, so you
can stand up. Use your legs.
Oh, you're tensing up. You don't want to sit up.
Whew. Too much cardio today. Way too much.
Catch your breath. That's what I said.
You want to lean up against a tree for a second?
Yeah. Here.
Turn this way and lean up against a tree for a minute. I hope nobody stole that. I pay for these things.
Scoot back so you can lean up. There you go. Lean up on the tree.
Yeah, copy. I'll start working on it in a minute.
You got him for a second?
So we'll be coming for
Jeff, be on the lookout for one of mine fell out. I don't know where it went.
Hey, you walk down there and have Sean come up here.
Yeah, I gotta find that.
Well, I backed into her car.
Hey, have you seen a magazine? No, you got my phone? Huh? You got my phone? I got a phone. That's mine. These pockets suck butt. Yeah, I ain't have anything. Unless it's in his pants. I gotta find the magazine, dude. I don't know where it went. Probably where you fell. No, I got my radio on the other one over there where I fell. Look at that. Sean, Jeff needs you up there. Hey, y'all seen a magazine?
I've not. Did you get it out? Is that anything in the cars?
I had to go look.
We're gonna get him in the car. Come on.
Let me check my brother.
He's good.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, not too much going on so far. I mean, well, yeah, we about 5 minutes in the 14-minute video, so we gonna see what's happening. But I thought that was pretty funny where the lady was like, yo, somebody backed into my sister's car. Y'all gonna have to do something about that. He said, yeah, call 911. Yo, he said, yeah, call 911. She said, you are 911. Did y'all peep that in the beginning? That was pretty funny, I thought.
Hey, if you ain't running, you had to catch your breath. He has not been searched thoroughly, so.
I'm ready.
You ready? You ready to get in the car and get some air conditioning?
Hey, bro, get my phone too, bro.
I got it right here. You ready? All right, Scooter. Let's go. Watch your step.
Hi, Steve. You got anything on you? No. What's that?
Pine cone.
Pine cone?
Hey, get her the key, bro.
Who?
Hey, come get your key, bro.
Here, hold that.
He got texting on
He got a check, man.
Oh, shoot, home.
You good with that? Yeah. Oh, shit, let me get this. I'll see anything. Watch him for a second.
Your mama on the way over.
We got searched like in. James said he's good with the search. James, did you look in his underwear?
I did a sweep.
No, look in.
Will you?
Give me some gloves and I'll do it.
And then one of y'all niggas touching my neck, huh?
Stop doing that. You are not going to do all this. It's okay.
I got a check, dude. That's
They
it.
ain't check. Y'all finna take me to the county. They gonna search me and all.
I got a check, dude.
Change the address, not me.
All right.
They was down there. No. And you already knew they were going to get you. What you running for? That's another charge.
Hey, James, you want to switch out cuffs real quick?
I'm about to come right back. If you just want to take mine.
That's fine. Just bring them.
All right.
I don't know who the hell.
Honestly, she's saying the right thing. She's like, you know they're gonna get you regardless. Why are you running? That's another charge. That's exactly right. That's what I say in a lot of these videos. I mean, it's like once you caught, you caught. It's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, here you go. You know what I mean? Like shit, you tried. You gotta wait. You had a warrant. You gotta wait for a minute. They finally came and got you. It is what it is. It's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? Go handle your warrant. Go do your time. We'll catch you back in a couple months or something. You know what I mean? That's it. It's over with. But, you know, I just to run from the cops, to get caught again, because the chances of you getting away is very slim. I don't know what people think that they actually gonna run. You know, maybe 5% of people actually get away, but they already know your name and everything. So eventually they just gonna go to all your addresses, all your people's crib, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? They gonna catch up with you eventually.
No matter, James. We'll be out.
I feel like I've been violated, but he just looked all at my ass, my bro, like I'm going, man, but he just violated me, man.
Can y'all just put him in the car so he can do it?
Are you good with the search?
Yeah, I didn't. Okay. That's not in your SOP.
Go ahead, get in the car.
Hell no, bro.
Get in the car. Put him in the car. Can you please get in the car?
Get in the car. We don't want to put him in.
Yeah, my
I'm
rent
trying
people
to
is
catch
out
my
here.
breath, but I'm hot.
My rent people is out here, bro.
Just made me even hotter.
Scooter, you just got out of the chain gang,
Who
right?
is Scooter, bro? I'm Tavian. I don't know no Scooter. Who is that? Who is that? I don't know
You
you.
got out of chain gang.
You, huh?
Yeah, it's the second time I locked you up.
Tavian, nigga, I don't know no Scooter.
Get in the car, Tavion.
I don't shoot.
Tavion, get in the
Why
car.
would you get another charge?
Tavion, what's the problem, man? You know you're going to jail.
Exactly.
Get in the car. If we gotta pull you in the car, you're gonna catch another charge.
You got a warrant for change of address. Just get in the car, Scooter.
This is his nickel if you want it. I just saw it drop out, so I had to ask.
What you doing?
Please.
Scoot your
I'm
feet
trying
in.
to see my mom, man.
We'll stay here until your mom gets here. Get in the car. Scoot your feet in.
Come on, Tavion.
I ain't got time for this.
Watch your knee.
Give me my rent.
Yeah, I done a sweep. I didn't know that.
Huh?
I embarrassed myself.
Yeah.
I was like, I got out front.
I'll go satisfy on this.
You sure?
Yeah. Security got one. Hey, look. I called him.
Oh, he fell too. Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Dude, I did. I felt it too. I was like,
I just want to point out, I was second one to you. I wasn't second place. Yeah, that's good. Hey, 3 for 3.
you two call me when you get there. Make the department will reimburse these.
I don't know, this is fancy.
Yeah, they like $100. They didn't get me. Well, they said he got the obstruction charge and he took our money. He did, man. He went, just already get that shit out the way. But he ran and they had to throw him to the ground.
No, he fell.
Oh,
He fell.
They fell, but the ground. I don't know.
He ran.
Just him running on the side of law enforcement when he's got a valid probation warrant and we're telling him to stop. He's doing different.
They come out here pretending they don't give up. I don't know. I don't give up. No. I don't know what baby down there. Was a baby down there when y'all was at her house?
Was a baby down there?
Because that's his brother.
No. I don't think it's anybody.
You talking about?
No.
You talking about Tammy or Tansy?
Tansy lady.
Tansy's
She
son?
wasn't here. No, nobody was there.
Nobody was in there.
Maybe not there.
I'm embarrassed.
They at the top.
I've been behind the desk too long. I've been behind the desk too long.
We get them fancy jeans. I didn't even hear the crash. Did it happen after we got out?
I had to. I think he backed up.
Come on, y'all. Come on, Body Cam POV. I like y'all content, man, but this is... Listen, this don't gotta be no 14 minutes, man. This is like 8-10 minutes max. Like, this is a lot of filler. I hope something else happened, because this is... You got 4 more minutes of this video. Like, come on. Like, this is a lot of filler. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Like, this is crazy. This is really crazy. Come on.
Oh, thank God. We're not going to be in an accident for it. He's in here.
Is he like a suspect or something?
He just said he wanted to talk to him.
So, one of these is him, like,
Not. They were in
his girlfriend's cars.
Maybe.
That's more than likely. I mean, you can probably tell from you see the tattoo right there. I can't say it was.
They said, oh, don't open no door. Let's talk about it, bro.
That's fine. You don't want to talk to me. I'm just looking at your shoes. Dick felony warrant on you for selling all that stuff at Lowe's last week.
What?
Went in Lowe's last week and took a bunch of stuff. You had your girlfriend's car. I can see your tattoo in the video.
I thought y'all waiting on my mom.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. So what happened to y'all waiting on my mom?
They said she was turning in.
Where's she at?
So.
Can you tell me where she's at?
Alright.
Alright. Well, sooner we get to jail, sooner we get you out. 600 with Stevens.
She go right there, man.
Which one?
The black car, man.
Hey, if you just want to get out real quick, I'm gonna roll down the window. He just got a warrant. You know, obviously he caught an obstruction charge for running. He's on that side. If you just want to. Let's try to make it quick because we're in traffic.
You okay? You sure?
No, come
I'm so tired. I did all too.
Okay. Are we good?
Y'all got the clerk.
Yeah, he ran.
I'm saying I don't want you to have no charge.
If he hadn't ran, he wouldn't come in charge.
For what?
You good? Okay.
He do that.
He got to talk to you.
I would talk to you later. I'm telling you, he just said he put charges on me for something. I don't know, but he. Oh yeah.
Step up from. Well, right there towards 1736. You just had your phone on you, right?
You know, now that's actually sad. That's actually sad. His mom and stuff like that. I mean, I'm sure this guy, he puts his family through a lot. You could tell, you know, he running in the streets, he ripping and running. He, you know what I mean? He just, man, it's sad to see your mom break down like that. You know what I mean? And this guy just got to do better. You know what I mean? Like, all his mom said is, I'm so tired. Like, it's just like that right there. When she said that, I'm like, damn, this dude puts his family through some shit, bro. And he probably, you know, gang member, stuff like that. He has been on and off for years, in and out, in and out, in and out. You know, these are repeat offenders. You know what I'm saying? These are guys that will rotate in and out of prison or jail or whatever you want to call it, you know, the county, or if he go to the big house. These guys are going to rotate in and out every couple of years. You know, they going back and forth. So it's just sad, you know, and you know, hopefully this guy gets it together. But sometimes the streets just took you and you gone. Once the streets get a hold of you, it's a wrap.
I want to make sure I didn't forget to say. Do you want to get any numbers out or anything? Anybody in particular? You said your mom?
Yeah.
She in there's mom?
Yeah. I'm look at the most beautiful. I know.
Oh, sorry. I got fat fingers.
Stand up, bro. Right here, do me a favor, take your hand off your pockets. Don't stand right here. Look, your face, see that? Oh, that thing. Stand here. Take your shoes off. I'm standing here. Face forward, don't move. Your hands gotta be out your pockets.
You know, the other day I had somebody that had drugs stuck behind their balls, and this didn't catch it.
Oh, for real?
Which is crazy.
Yeah, let's see all the way through you. Say, bro, I told you that your hands have to be on the side.
Oh no, it's just delayed.
Yeah, it's all over the leg.
Much money I spent on this machine, you serious?
Yeah. Good. Yeah, we good, bro. Put your shoes on.
It's been a long day. Ain't even halfway through.
Oh, that's bad.
That is bad.
Yeah, halfway through.
Thanks, appreciate it.
The suspect was booked for his warrants and obstruction of law enforcement.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.